VRAR Stock Analysis Friday and onwards. Am I buying is the question, and I'm answering this in this short 1-minute video. So the Glimpse Group stock is sitting at 136. Post market it's even higher, but what I saw is like a 14% decrease in price today. I'm curious, bro. It seems like I have no drawings here. Like, what the hell? But obviously I've done 32,000 videos and spent thousands of dollars over the last 4 years on courses and mentorships, and as a result the strategy has given me thousands of quick predictions. With VRAR specifically, I'm just kind of I'm very intrigued by this movement up. Very, very intrigued. And because of this bullish market and it's actually giving me some great retracements, I'm willing to take it up as long as the price gives me like a 5-minute double break. I'm even willing to have the green light to long. So it really depends whether the price gives me the rules or it doesn't. And all I'll do in the meantime is just keep waiting for the rules. I also follow other ticker symbols as well. If you want to learn the strategy, there is a free newsletter below. First link in the description.